Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today we are going to make very exciting paperwork. So no more waiting. Let's jump into the work. Today we will need a piece of A4 size paper. And from this paper, we will make a 3D alphabet that looks very realistic. Just follow the steps. It is so easy. You can transform the alphabet one to another. First we got alphabet I. Now we got V. And the next one is N. And after that we got M. And if you flip it over it will be W. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you are new here, please make sure you have subscribed to our channel for more exciting paperwork.